Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Samsung account in Samsung Galaxy A10 series. How you can make the one. If you have a new phone, how you can make it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start. First you have to go to settings option. You can see in the top here it is written Samsung account. You have to click on it, find your lost phone even if it is online offline. Just click on it. You can see it can make by signing in with a Google email or phone number. If you have sign in with the QR code, if you want to sign in with QR code, you can make the one. And if you just forget your password, you can just recover it. You can choose sign in with Google. Click on it. Then you have to just click on, if you have no account, first you have to make a account on Gmail ID. First click on add another account. Here it is written, just click on it, and it is checking information and verification. Draw your default password. You have make it. It is a basically screen passcode. Then it asks for an email or mobile phone number. You can just write here your email ID like this. You can see I have written my Gmail ID. Here it is. You have to just create account for that, and you have to just click on next button, and then it asks for a password. Then you can see this option here, it is a ID, Gmail ID. Then you have to click on continue option. Here it is. You can see allow this. Make sure that you trust Samsung account. And now you can see it is a check out the following options. You can just approve all this and click on I have read, agree to all the above, and then agree and make it done your profile. Then you have to enter your mobile number.